Hello, my name is Todd Gooch, and I'm the author of the Gravitational Unit Theory, Unified Field Theory. Today, what I'd like to talk about is the beginning of the universe. In the beginning of the universe, the total substance of the universe, known as mass, was contained within a sphere with a diameter of a Planck length, and of course, the mass of the entire universe. Outside the universe is defined not to exist, does not exist. The sphere begins to spin with increasing angular velocity until a maximum stable angular momentum is achieved. It does this of its own volition and without any external influence, as outside the universe is defined not to exist. When the angular velocity increases such that the maximum stable angular momentum is exceeded, a mitosis occurs within the sphere, such that two spheres are occupying the same space at the same time, traveling with different angular velocities and different angular momentums. The interaction of the two masses defines friction, which consequently defines a change in temperature which occurs. The temperature of the universe was at its maximum, and we'll denote the temperature change as dT. The next thing that happens is that a pressure develops between the two spheres, and the pressure of the universe was at its maximum. We'll define this as d2t. What occurs next is that the universe becomes contained within increasing volumes of a permeable spherical geometry known as the Big Bang. And the change in volume is denoted d3t. The ideal gas equation is then derived independently as d2t, d3t equal nr dt. And I have a 13-member data set which shows conclusively that valid sets of temperature, pressure, and volume are being derived from third degree equations, the simplest being x cubed, and then more complex equations developed. Around my seventh or eighth equation, I developed a new standard for temperature, pressure, and volume. Uh, the independent derivation of the ideal gas law is that d2t, d3t equal nr dt. And on my YouTube videos, and also you find that YouTube video on my Facebook account. Uh, what you find is that I have sample problems work for you. I have a sample problem on the internet work, and then I also have the 13-member data set published to my Facebook page for anybody that would be interested in actually following the mathematics. But I know that it happened exactly that way because the ideal gas law becomes independently derived from the sequence of events. It took me some 23 years to figure it all out, but I know it happened exactly that way. And I know it happened that way because I have the data to back that up. The data can be found in my book, Gravitational Unit Theory, Unified Field Theory. It can also be found on the Facebook page of the same name or under my Facebook page, Todd Gooch. Thank you very much for your time. My name is Todd Gooch, and I'm the author of the Gravitational Unit Theory, Unified Field Theory.